Hi everyone, this is a video about this trimmer Gillette styler that some of the stuff that I'm making a video is because I have heard good review from the people who have been using these, and they are telling me, for instance, this one is good and is very useful, and I decided to make a video about this. And they came across this one and they said it's really good for grooming and your beard, styling your beard, and chest hair and all hair around your body. And they said that it's really safe because the trimmer is very user friendly to your skin and is not going to snag or is going to cut you. This one is just says 4-in-1, and unfortunately it was like this when it came, but on these corners they were sealed, so someone just tore this because they wanted to put it in the post and occupying lesser space. So this one is just coming like this box, but the other one, it comes with a stand where you have to store all of these and parts that is coming with it. So the name is Gillette Styler. So I get it out of the box right now before because it's open, and I just put it here. So this was the box and these are the prices of this, whereas this one I purchased for £10 and the prices on eBay is under £15, and some people they are selling this for under £20. So I purchased this for under £10, £9.99, and this is how it comes. Is the styler itself that we are going to talk about this, and then it comes with 3 combs that they are numbered 1, 2, and 3, and the color is getting darker as it gets deeper, and this is the number 3. And if you look at it, you see that this one is much lighter and this one is a little bit darker than the other one that I just showed you. In comparison, they are getting darker as it goes thinner. And it comes also with a blade. I show you how these are attached to this, and this is the normal I think Pro Glide, this one is called, and it's just, this is how to change it. And it has a very nice blade cover that in one of my videos I have complained that Gillette doesn't have a travel blade cover, and I made some from those cartridge that there are 5 of them in there, so you can go and find that on my video. But this one is really helpful for traveling, And then is the trimmer itself. The trimmer is just if I want to make a complaint, is a little bit loud and it takes 1 battery, and this is the battery how you install it. This is the positive and that is the negative, and it's just screwed back in and it stays the same. And this is the power on off, and you can hear it now. It's rather loud. And then this is how you are going to connect and disconnect all of these parts. For instance, let's just start with the blade. You just push this to this area and then push it back. And if you want to push it back until it locks in place, and when you want to change it, push this one forward and then it comes off like so. And when you are putting it in, you just don't need to touch this, you just push it back in. But of course you can, just to assist this, you can do that as well to prolong the life of this plastic piece, because it has a notch here that is going in there and locks in place. And by passage of time and usage, this might break off and then you end up just using this. But in my opinion, it's too heavy for, shaving and, prolonged usage. And so this is mainly is going to be used as a trimmer. And this trimmer, for the purpose of cleaning, you can just push this away, and those little white, this is brand new, I haven't used it yet, and those little white stuff there that are grease or some sort of lubricant for assisting this to just go back in. So, and these two hinges, let me just put one of these, is the same. You just push this into those gaps there. You just push it in there and then just push it in to lock it in place. This is number one, and you can just push this and take it off and use another one. And this is number three. The face should be outwards, and you just push it there and then click it in place. This is the number three, the darkest one, and that's it. So the reason that I'm doing this video is because for the private areas of men, and some people, they have difficulties and they are using all sorts of trimmer and devices in order to avoid using the blade. And but some people, they got used to the blade and they are really scared of these, as they might snag really badly and they might somehow draw bloods in some severe cases. So because of that, some of my friends, they have used this and they assured me that they have done everything possible even without looking, but this one didn't hurt them at all. And when you are touching this, is really soft between the blades, and the edge of this blade is rounded off and is really good and really tight as well, so it doesn't really let any loose skin to go there. I'm not sure about some moles or some some of those skin tags. I'm not sure, small ones, if it goes under there, maybe is going to hurt. But I'm just turning it on. You can see the blade there. Let me just see if you can see the blade. As you see, blade is this far back from the tip of this, so it's going to be good. I'm gonna try this in real life, and then I'm going to show you, I'm going to share with you if this one is really bad or good, but up to now I have heard good stuff, but it's a little bit loud. And the battery, I don't think the battery is going to last long, but still it is good to have it around the bathroom, near to your mirror, to use it. But the other models, they have a black stand that you can store all of these at the back of the unit, the stand, and this one just sit there in the stand as well. So that's really good. This is getting too long. I just wanted to just show you this, not how it looks and how it operates, and then I'm going to share with you later on if any bad things happened. I'm going to report back to you. Anyhow, thanks for your watching, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.